I'm about to show you something that will completely change how you handle long-form video forever. I'm talking about uploading one long video and instantly getting back a pile of high-performing short clips with captions and suggested thumbnails. I'll walk you through the entire process live so you can truly see just how clean and incredibly fast this feels. Think of this entire system like some kind of advanced clipping magic, except this time it's actually smart. All right, let's jump right in by first heading to the main platform dashboard and selecting the automated clip creation option. You have the flexibility to either paste in an existing video link or simply upload your own local file. For this demo, I am just going to upload a short segment from a recent tutorial I finished recording. After hitting upload, the next step is just choosing an existing project or easily creating a brand new one to house the clips. The system then quickly analyzes the entire recording to identify all the most engaging moments and punchlines. That analysis is the real secret sauce, because it doesn't just chop random time codes. It looks for what humans actually watch and share. Next up, you get to choose all your output options, whether you need vertical TikToks, shorts, or standard Reels formats. You can let the tool auto-detect the perfect snappy cut lengths, or you can manually set your own preferred clip durations. I generally let the AI pick because its algorithm is fantastic at grabbing those critical attention spikes that stop people scrolling. Once you confirm your settings, you simply tell it to run the process. If you are on the free plan, you might experience a short wait depending on the current queue, but paid plans always include priority processing. Even so, the free tier remains incredibly useful for testing the system and batch creating clips from your older video backlog. While that initial processing is happening in the background, let me quickly explain why this entire concept really matters. The harsh reality is most creators sit on hours of amazing footage that never gets seen because editing is so painful and time-consuming. Standard editing tools force you to manually scrub, slice, pick, caption, and format everything individually for every single platform. Other so-called auto tools often spit out clips, but they frequently miss context or choose boring sections, resulting in awkward robotic cuts. The real edge here is that this platform is trained to look for specific virality cues, like vocal excitement and clear idea transitions. This specialized approach ultimately means you have far fewer edits, less guesswork, and a much higher chance of viewer retention. Okay, let's see. Our generated clips are now ready, and you can click to preview the several short videos made from that single source file. Every single clip arrives complete with suggested captions, relevant hashtags, auto-generated subtitles, and multiple aspect ratios ready to go. Of course, all the generated captions are fully editable right there, so you can easily tweak the tone or add your own personal joke. You will also find optimized thumbnail suggestions, which are clearly designed for maximum engagement, not just random frames. You can tap into any specific clip to fine-tune the exact cut point, adjust the visual cover, or completely swap out the text. But honestly, I often stick with the AI's initial selections because they are usually spot on, which saves an incredible amount of time. Now, let's look at the part that everyone really gets excited about, the full auto-schedule feature. Forget downloading every clip just to manually upload it across 5 different social platforms by going to the auto-schedule section. You simply set how frequently you want content to go live, daily, bi-weekly, or whatever cadence you prefer, and the system queues and posts automatically. You can either select specific time windows or simply let the AI choose the mathematically optimal posting times based on engagement predictions. It is essentially handing your entire posting calendar over to a specialized robot assistant that already knows what performs best. You set the schedule once, you can essentially forget it, and watch your channels grow while you focus on creating new ideas. And to keep your entire publishing strategy perfectly clean and organized, there is the dedicated content calendar view. This view shows every single clip, its schedule, which platforms it targets, and allows drag and drop rescheduling or instant caption tweaks. If you are juggling multiple content series or several different clients, this calendar instantly becomes your single source of truth for publishing. This completely eliminates the problem of scattered uploads or constantly guessing which piece of content went live on which network. You edit the source material in one centralized spot and publish everywhere else, maintaining perfect brand consistency without the usual headaches. If you have used other content repurposing tools in the past, you will certainly notice some key differences here. Some competitors are great for one specific manual job, but they require too many clicks and aren't good at large-scale automation. Others promise AI, but just slide and cut without any context, resulting in clips that frankly don't make sense on their own. Then you have the expensive enterprise options that are powerful, but often overkill for most independent creators and killer on the budget. This tool aims to hit the perfect sweet spot: smart editing that thinks like a real creator, real-time saving automation, and fair pricing for small teams. It may not be perfect for every single niche demanding full manual control, but for repurposing long-form content at scale, it is a massive time saver. Before I forget, if you are already using any other clipping tools, please drop a comment telling me your current setup. I am genuinely curious how it compares to your current process, especially regarding caption quality and picking viral moments. Alright, here are a few essential pro tips I picked up that will make the AI's output even dramatically better. Tip 1. Always make sure you are using the absolute highest quality audio available for your recording. The AI detects energy from your voice, so muddled audio or heavy background music will cause it to miss the punchiest moments or produce fuzzy captions. To fix this, try recording in a quiet space or immediately uploading a separate, clean audio track if one exists. Tip 2. You need to keep your core main points and takeaways as tight and concise as possible. Long wandering tangents are fine for podcasts, but for automated clipping, clear punchy statements give the algorithm the strongest signals. Try structuring your videos with mini hooks and short takeaways, which makes those viral clips practically write themselves for you. Tip 3. The system works best when there is only 1 or 2 speakers who are positioned closely to the camera. When multiple people overlap or talk over each other, the AI understandably struggles to isolate the best sound bites. Clear, crisp speech captured in close-ups directly translates into better automated cuts and highly accurate subtitles. Tip 4 involves using meaningful visual cues throughout your original recording to help the AI. Leaning toward the camera, changing angles, or holding up a prop all create natural edit points the AI loves to use. The system looks for these transitions specifically, so it can make the resulting clips feel intentional rather than jarringly random. Tip 5 suggests that providing a clean master copy of your video is always better for analysis. If you can upload the version that has minimal background music or distracting visual overlays, you can always add all your branding and music later. But the clipping quality improves when the AI sees an uncluttered signal. And finally, tip 6. Always take a quick moment to review the suggested captions and hashtags it provides. The AI is solid, but it sometimes misses specific niche terms or current internet slang, so small tweaks help. Editing just these small text elements can boost your overall post discoverability massively across all platforms. Just a quick note on the pricing plans. The free tier is fantastic for testing out how the AI clips perform and how the scheduling logic actually works. If you are serious about scaling your output, paid plans offer faster processing, bulk upload capabilities, and advanced analytics. Think of it this way. The free tier gets you the core experience, while paid tiers are for power users needing more throughput and granular control. One final crucial thought to remember. Consistency in posting will always beat chasing perfection in every single edit. Most creators obsess over the perfect edit, but social platform algorithms are built to reward consistent, regular output instead. This tool's entire point is to help you produce more content, giving you better chances of hitting that next sticky viral post. Set your cadence, let the AI handle the heavy lifting, and spend your creative time on the original ideas rather than the export settings. If you want to try this exact workflow, I'll drop an example in the next video showing the whole thing from upload to final scheduled posts. And hey, if you are already using another tool to repurpose videos, tell me your single biggest pain point in the comments below. I will make follow-up videos that dive deep into solving those specific pain points that you are currently facing. The bottom line is that turning long-form content into high-performing short-form doesn't have to be such a massive grind anymore. With the right tools and a few simple workflow tweaks, you can turn your backlog into a steady stream of growth content. This system makes that often complex process fast and incredibly friendly without turning you into a dedicated tech manager. Go ahead and try it out, play with all the new settings, and focus on creating the good stuff while the automation handles the rest.